Hey everybody, this is Deb with Truthification Chronicles, and this is going to be a very short little video to show you a couple of letters and give you the links to those so you can read over them. I will come back and do a video on them, but right now I'm uploading a video on human trafficking, and it's about 45 minutes long. But I live out here in the sticks, so that means it's going to take at least the rest of today and most of tomorrow before it will even be available. Maybe even longer than that, who knows. It's just one of those things that you have to deal with. We have a very slow connection out here, so sorry about that. But I wanted to get this short one up so that you can see, first of all, know I'm still here, and then I want you to see the content in these. Check it out for yourself. Like I said, I'll come back and I'll do a video on them, but these are really good. Chuck Grassley may be old, but boy, he's got some teeth in him. He's really doing a good job on these. This is the first one. He sends it to the Committee on the Judiciary, and mostly the Democrats, as you can see here. He just reams them. He really does. I received your letter dated September 18th asking me not to reopen the hearing on Judge Kavanaugh's nomination scheduled for Monday, September 24th. Dr. Christine Blasey Ford has made serious allegations against Judge Kavanaugh. She has said repeatedly that she wants to tell her story and she has the right to be heard. So essentially he goes through and he says, okay, she wants to be heard. Here's her opportunity, but we also need to keep things moving. So he goes through and he really tells him, he says, I've given her this opportunity, that opportunity. She can do it in public, she could do it in private, she can do it in a committee, she can do it several different ways. We'll even fly out there to California to talk to her. But it needs to be done, and it needs to be done quickly. Now, you know they're all stalling. They're using this as a stalling tactic. So then he sent this one just to Feinstein. I think this is just funny. And he basically goes through and says, hey, you had this since July 30th and you just brought it out? Come on, I'm on to you, woman. That's pretty much what he says. So go through and read these. I'll put the links down below. Again, I'm really sorry that I can't do a longer one, and even this is going to take a little while to upload. But I'll see you again after the human trafficking one is uploaded. So it may be a couple days. Thanks a lot for stopping by. See you later.